Throw coffee grounds down the toilet and you won't believe the results. Before I tell you what happens when you pour coffee grounds into the toilet, let me show you two other incredibly useful ways to use coffee powder. For the first trick, you'll need a piece of kitchen paper. Simply sprinkle a little coffee grounds onto the paper, then roll it up tightly. Light both ends and let it burn slowly. The coffee smoke acts as a powerful natural repellent that will drive away mosquitoes and other insects from your home. For the second trick, add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a small container and place it in the refrigerator. It will absorb bad odors and leave your fridge smelling fresh and clean. I've saved a lot of money since I started using these simple methods. Now it's time for the main tip, the one you've been waiting for. What happens when you throw coffee grounds down the toilet? Add 3 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container, then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Finally, pour in half a cup of vinegar. Mix everything well. Pour the mixture all over the inside of the toilet bowl. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. The caffeine and natural acids in the coffee have strong antibacterial and antiviral properties. The acidity also helps remove stubborn yellow stains. Together with the baking soda and vinegar, this combination neutralizes unpleasant odors and leaves your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. Try it yourself. You're going to love the results. See you in the next video, friends. God bless you all.